Millions of allergy sufferers will appreciate the benefits of having a healthier sleep zone by using Protect-A-Bed's AllerZip pillow protectors. These unique pillow protectors provide a cool, comfortable place to lay your head with their cotton terry surface. They are fully absorbent while creating an allergen-free sleeping environment. With Protect-A-Bed's exclusive Miracle Membrane, your pillow will be protected from allergens, bacteria, dust mites, perspiration, and accidents. The Miracle Membrane has a two-way barrier. First, the 100% waterproof membrane completely surrounds your pillow. Second, it's air vapor porous, allowing body heat to pass through, while still providing you and your pillow needed protection. It will also shield you from breathing in any allergens that may already exist in the pillow. With its exclusive allergen flap, it provides an additional barrier behind the zipper that doesn't allow allergens to pass through. Imagine being able to keep your pillows fresh and healthy for as long as you have them. They are easy to care for. Wash them in hot water, ensuring germs can be eliminated. They are available in all sizes and have a 2-year product warranty against manufacturing defects. And rest assured you are laying your head on the best when using Protect-A-Bed AllerZip pillow protectors. They are listed as a Class 1 medical device by the FDA and carry the Good Housekeeping seal. Experience the very best in allergy protection while sleeping comfortably. Pair Protect-A-Bed AllerZip pillow protectors with a Protect-A-Bed AllerZip mattress encasement to complete your allergen-free, healthy sleep zone.